Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited. This one is gray. Underneath it's a 3.2 V6 with 271 horsepower and 239 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Cherokee badging on the door. Black leather interior. Four by four limited badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, keyless entry, memory seats, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, different driving functions, auxiliary and USB ports, automatic transmission. This Jeep has 7,730 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Limited, visit us at feldmannimports.com.